I'm here to talk about my Pontiac Fiero GT. This is a 1987 Fiero GT. I bought it down in New Jersey about 2 days ago now. Haven't even owned it 48 hours yet. And to do a quick walk around, you can see these grates here have been primered but not painted. The guy told me that I bought it from, it was repainted at some time. I don't know when or how well the paint job was done, but it looks alright for an 87, I suppose. Somebody threw on a bunch of Walmart tags. They're definitely coming off. This car is not turboed. It's got the original rims on it. Everything's original as far as I know. It's got a few dings in it. It's not the limited edition. That sticker was just placed there, and along with that V6 sticker, that's not supposed to be there either. It's got a little ding here in front of the headlight. This is the headlight that doesn't pop up. The other one works. Just little details. The guy that I bought it from, before I drove down there, he told me about a crack in the windshield. I asked him how big it was. He said it was small. But I don't know about you guys, but I don't consider a crack that long that goes halfway across the windshield small. It's got a little bit of bubbling here in the hood. A few more Walmart stickers that are definitely coming off. Some of this trim here was redone. This side here is not original at all. And he actually put some trim under the door handle. This here looks like original trim all the way around. Another junky limited edition sticker. This trim here fell off. And again, he did the same thing with the trim on the door handle on the other underside. Just looks like garbage. He also threw some trim there on the edge of the door, which is garbage. That's coming off. Little chip here in the sunroof. It won't be that hard. Sunroof doesn't leak or anything, so that's good. The guy that I bought it from said he had brand new Pirelli tires. Well, they are Pirelli tires, but they're dry rotted to the point where it starts shaking at 65. So, a few more scrapes here up on the hood. But luckily they're not terribly noticeable. Somebody decided to put some fog lights on it, and apparently never connected them. There's not even a switch inside for them at all. A few holes here for the license plate. And I don't know if you can see that, but there's some cracking in the paint around the front badge. That'll get buffed out and fixed. This is on the driver's side rear window. It's got a little crack in it on the side there. This here is a little dry rotted. It's hard as a rock. But what do you expect? It's from 87. It's probably never been replaced. The trunk release is broken, so I got to open it up with a key. The engine was repainted. I personally don't think they did a good job. They actually painted this for the intake. Again, this is all primer here. All this gray here is just primer. Whoever owned the car before just had something in mind and I guess decided to quit. I don't know. But a lot of these parts that aren't even supposed to be painted got painted. Back hatch here got painted as well. Bottom of it, which looks alright. There's a few drip marks there. Whatnot, but not really complaining. Trunk here looks great. Leaks a little bit over here on this side, but it's just because this is coming apart here. There's a bunch of little fix-its, and I think this will be a decent running car. Another thing, this mirror is a little bit loose. Just a few screws just need to be tightened down though. It'll be alright. Pop up the front of the car. It's a little rough coming up, but it comes up nonetheless. It's pretty clean. Again, this is an 87, so it's definitely stood the test of time. All the parts are here. Again, this is the headlight that doesn't pop up. Haven't really looked at it yet. This has definitely been repainted, and I think it needs to be repainted again. It's coming apart, and they really didn't do a good job on it. Today what I hope to get accomplished is get all these decals pulled off and clean up the spots where they used to be, and give the car a little bath and shine her up a little bit. Now for the interior of the car. Both the doors open and close. Power locks don't exactly work. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit inside the doors and whatnot. Windows go up and down. Power mirrors work. Almost everything in this car works. It's got a little tear up here. The lights, they both work. And this car only has just under 70,000 miles on it. It's one of the pluses of buying it. The gas gauge doesn't work. It always says it's extra full. Horn doesn't work, but you can hear the relay clicking. So either a bad horn or bad fuse somewhere possibly. Radio doesn't work. Somebody decided to put these little ricer toys in here. They gotta go. Brake light works. This thing pops up and down like it should. The exhaust is completely stacked, but for all in all, I think it sounds pretty good for a 2.8 V6, all stacked. For a stock V6 and stock exhaust, I think it sounds pretty good.